Hey, seventh graders. Right now I'm in the outline section of the DBQ Online Essay Builder, and for this tutorial we're focusing on the grabber. The grabber for your paper, really simply, is something that you're writing that's going to capture the reader's attention right away and want them to and cause them to not want to put the paper down, is what we're looking for. In the past, you've been told to write a grabber as a question. It is a good way to start a paper, asking the reader a question. The only problem with that is that when you write a question for your grabber, you're limiting your audience, because if one of the persons that's reading your paper doesn't really care to know the answer to your question, they're not going to want to continue to read it. So as you get older, that's something you want to try to avoid in the opening sentence of your paper. The last thing that you can do to help you write a grabber is actually wait to write this last. Writing it last gives you a better view of your entire paper. So after I write a paper and I read it, I can go back and like, oh, that's kind of what my paper's all about. Now I can think of a good grabber. It doesn't have to be written first. It can definitely be written last, or you might think of it as you're writing your paper. It might come to you like, oh, this will be a great way to get my audience's attention. So just some things to consider as you think of a grabber to open up your paper. Thanks.